Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying purpose. List 3 to 5 questions the dashboard must answer and prioritize them. Next, connect your data sources, CSV, SQL, Excel, or API, and check refresh cadence so you won't be surprised later. While connecting, validate primary keys and date formats and remove obvious duplicates. This reduces model complexity and query time. Once done, create a sample report page to confirm filters and a small measure set work end-to-end before modeling the full dataset. You now build a solid data model. Convert tables into a star schema with a single fact table and clean dimension tables, and enforce one-to-many relationships to avoid ambiguity. Then, write focused DAX measures for totals, year-over-year %, and running totals. Use variables to keep calculations readable. After that, pick visuals that answer your core questions, KPI cards for high-level, bar-line combos for trends, and tables for detail, and optimize interactivity by syncing slicers and bookmarks so users explore without breaking context. Finish by polishing layout. Group related visuals, reduce clutter, and ensure 16:9 layout or mobile view as needed so users focus on insights. Then publish to the Power BI service, set a refresh schedule, and configure row-level security if required. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by testing filters and bookmarks, use Performance Analyzer to identify slow visuals, and inspect gateway logs for refresh failures. Make targeted fixes and revalidate with a representative user to confirm the dashboard answers the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.